Namaste and good morning to all my dear students. This is your Brahmana sir. Today I deal with my continued part of my lesson, that is playing with numbers. In this video I will explain about tests of divisibility. Okay. Why we have to study these tests for divisibility? See here, only by observing the numbers, and there some properties we can find easily it can be divisibility by some particular number. That's why we have to study this test for divisibility. Okay, first test by 10, that is divisibility by 10. Okay, then see here, what are the multiples of 10? That is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, etc. Is it? First we are studying about divisibility by 10. Okay. Then what are the multiples of 10? 10, 20, 30. These are the divisibility, or these are the multiples of 10. Now see, what are the non-multiples of 10? That is 11, 22, whatever it will be, 23, 24, 26, etc. Now we can conclude that at one's place there is a number 0. The which number which ends with, or which units place is 0, then we can easily say that that is easily divisible by 10. For example, take here 50. 50 is divisible by 10. Shows up how it is. 10 5 are 50. 0. Remainder is 0. Then say let's take 500. Whether 500 is divisible by 10, shows the what? It ends with or its one's place is 0. That's why it is easily divisible by directly I will write. Is it? Suppose 58. Whether 58 is divisible by 10? No, sir, because at one's place there is no 0. Okay, these all you have studied in 7th standard. Okay, this is also same, but by rule, how can be it is proved by rule? Okay, let's take what is the rule? Rule is very easy. See here, I will take 2-digit number, that is suppose A, B are the 2-digit numbers. A and B are the 2-digit number. What is the expand form of AB or 2-digit number? That is, I will write here 10A or 10 into A plus B. समझ में आएगा? AB is the 2-digit number and this is the expanded form. By rule, I am explaining you. For further studies, you want this one. Okay? Some examples are very important. See, A is the single digit number. A is the single digit number from 0 to 9. ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೋರಿ. ನಮಗೆ A ದ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay? Then B values are, sir, from 0 to 9. Okay? Up to 9. B values are from 0 to 9. Okay? Suppose I will write here 10 into 5 plus B. 10 into 5 is 50 plus B. Okay? I have taken A is 5. Now, which value is added to the B from 0 to 9? ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ for B, substituting the value B from 0 to 9, it is easily divisible by 10. Sir, ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? Let's check the possibilities. Let's take first 0. Sir, 0 ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. 50 plus 0, that is 50. Okay, then check with 1. What happens? Sir, 51 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. That is not divisible by 10. Then put 2. Sir, put 2. Then it is also it becomes 52 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, sir. Then it is also not divisible by 10. Is it like that? Up to 9 ವರೆಗೂ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Sir, only possibilities from 0 to 9 is, that is only 0. That is only 0. समझ में आया ना बात? This is the rule that becomes A and B is 50. That's why it is also 50. And I will conclude this, that is the which number having 0 at its ones place. The number which is having 0 at its ones place, units place, it is, we can say that it is easily divisible by 10. समझ में आ रहा बात? Yes, I will give some examples. It is very easy, so I have to concentrate here. Okay, suppose I will take 585. Okay, 585. Whether 585 is divisible by 10? No, sir. Why? Because at ones place there is no 0. That's why it is not divisible by 10. Okay? Then ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ರಿ only by looking at same, by observing and same. Let's take second example. 5850. Whether this number is by 10? Sure, sir. Why? Because it ends with 0. Otherwise, its ones place is 0. Okay? Easily, it is divisible by 10. It's easily divisible by 10. Okay, ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಿ. 1, 2, 5, 6, 8, 7, 6, 0. And then at one's place, it has to be 0. Okay, then only it is possible that it is divisible by 10. Easily divisible after. Okay, check with your calculator. Which number order note 10 by easily it is. The remainder is 0. Then again take 561. 5681. Whether this number is divisible by 10? No, sir, because here it is not ends with 0. Suppose this, it is easily divisible by 10 because at one's place there is a 0. समझ में आएगा ना बात? It is very easy. Okay. Next, all right. That is then second one, divisibility by 5. Okay, divisibility by 5. Then what are the multiples of 5? That is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, etc. Now, here we can observe that at one's place, okay, one's place avashya observe madri. Here it is ends with, or its unit place is 0 or 1, 0 or 5, sorry, 0 or 5, 0 or 5. These are the multiples of 5. Then we can observe here that only at one's place. The one's place is combined with, or one's place is only having 0 or 5. Okay. The numbers, I will conclude this. The numbers which are 0 or 5 at one's place or a unit's place, that is easily divisible by 5. समझ में गया? Yes. Okay, noted. 55 is there. Is it 55 is easily divisible by 5? Yes. Why? Because it is the at one's place it is 5. Then we can check also. 5, 11, 55 directly. Okay. Remainder is 0. Then suppose 550. Whether it is divisible by 5? Yes, sir, sure. Why? Because at one's place it is 0. One's place only 0 or 5 antappa it is easily divisible by 5. Okay. Then 5 here, 5 is a 5, 5 is a 5, that is 0. Again 50, 5 times a 5, 50. That is 5 times a 50. Remainder is 0. We can say that the number which is at 0 or 5 at one's place, 0 or 5 at one's place, 0, 0 or 5 at one's place, it is easily divisible by 5. Okay. By rule, I will explain by rule. Rule mukhantar how it is possible. Okay. See, I will take two-digit number, that is AB. What is the expanded form of this? That is 10 into A plus B. Sir, remember, we don't want this A value. Yavudaದ್ರು kodle from 0 to 9, whatever it will be. We have to observe from B value, that is 0 to 9. Okay, suppose I will take A value is 5. Okay, that's a very 5. Okay, 7. Okay, then B. 10 7 is 70 plus B. For divisibility of 5, what is the value of B? Sir, from 0 to 9 notebook, sir. Why? Because B is a single digit number. 6, 7, 8, 9. Substitute these values. These are the possibilities. ಯಾವ possibilities avanta check ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. First, sir, I will put 0. What happens? 70 plus 0, that will become 70 only. Whether 70 is divisible by 5? Sure, sir. Why? Because easily we can check here. 5 ones are 5, 2, 20, 5 fours are 20. Yes, we can say that 70 is easily divisible by 5. Then put B is equal to 1, whether it is possible or not. What it becomes 71. Whether 71 is easily divisible by 5? No, sir. Remainder worth, sir. How much? 1 remainder worth, sir. Do it in your home. Okay. Then it is also not possible. 2 hard 3, 72 I2. It is not divisible by 5. Then put 3. It is also not divisible by 5. Then 4. It is also not divisible by 5. Then put 5. What it will become? That is 70 plus 5. That is 70 plus 5. What it will become? 75. Yes, we can say that 75 is easily divisible by 5. Okay. Then only two possibilities are there. That is 0 or 5. That is the number which one's place is 0 or 5. It says that it can be easily divisible by 5. Okay. Ends only 0 or 5 banditappa antandre it is easily divisible by 5. समझ में आएगा? दूसरा बात. Yes. Some more examples. See some more examples. बड़े नोटे हेळबेಕು by observing it. Let's take 700 and okay, I'll write 755,630. Whether it is divisible by 5? Sure, it is divisible by 5. Why, sir? Because its ones place is combined with 0 or a unit place is 0. That's why it is easily divisible by 5. It is easily divisible by 5. Then take another one example. 1763252. Whether this number is easily divisible by 5? Let's check. No, sir. Why? Easily we can say that it is not ends with or its ones place is not 0 or 5. That's why it is not easily divisible by 5. Artha aglakatadri? Yes. Third one. 73215632750 or 5. Okay. Whether this number is easily divisible by 5? Sure, sir. Why? It's how can we say that? Because it's at its ones place 5 is there. That's why we can say that this number is easily divisible by 5. Okay. Artha aitala? That is divisibility by 5. Ones place ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿರಬೇಕ್ರಿ 0 or 5 ಇದ್ರೆ it is easily divisible by 5. ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Okay. Next. ಎಷ್ಟೇ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಲಿ, don't worry that sir ಇದು ಅಂಚಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಸರ್, don't tell that. Okay. Sir easily 0 ಅಥವಾ 5 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it is easily divisible by 5. Only 0 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we can say that it is easily divisible by 5 and 10. Okay. Move to the next. That is divisibility by 2. Divisibility by 2. What are the multiples of 2? That is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. These are the multiples of 2. Also, we can say that all are even numbers, is it? And the numbers which are having at ones place are even numbers, isn't it? Note 6, 4, 2, 0. These are all even numbers, is it? That is, divisibility by 2 is easily we can say that the number which ends with or which ones place or which unit place is even number. Even number, isn't? Even number, it is completed with even numbers, then we can easily divisible by 2. Okay, sure. I will show you one example. Sir, 12 is there. 12 is easily divisible by 2. Why, sir? Because it ends with even numbers. Okay, that is 2 6 are 12. It is remainder is 0. Then we can say that 1 2 1. Whether 121 is easily divisible by 2? No, sir. Why? Because it is ones place is 1. Ones place another 1. That's why odd number is there. That's why it is not easily divisible by 2. Okay. Let's take by, I will explain through this one by rule. That is, take 2-digit number. Expanded form is 10 into A plus B. Okay. So sure, we have to observe only at B. We have to observe only B. Why, sir? Only we are getting a trick for here that only even numbers. Trick is that even numbers baranga no. Then I will take 10 into 8. Even is whatever it may be. Then put B. 80 plus B. Then what is the value of B here? Sir, 0 to 900. 8 to 9, because it is single digit number. What are the possibilities of B value? Take first, I will start from 0. Is it? What will it become? It will become 80 only. 80 plus 0, that is 80. Whether 80 is divisible by 2? Sure, sir, easily, because it ends with 0. Then take 1. 1 ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇದು? Then it will become 81. Whether 81 is easily divisible by 2? No, sir. Remainder 1 bartha, sir. Then it is wrong. Then take 2. Okay, what it will become? 82 of the, sir. From this example, example node helagatenri. Don't be confused. Okay, 82 is easily divisible by 2. Check it. Yes, 2 4s are 8, 0 and 2. 2 1s are 2. That is 0. Easily divisible item. Then take 3. It will become 83. 83. It is not divisible by 2. Then it is wrong. Then take 4. It is easily divisible by 2. How it is, sir? 84. 2. 2 4s are 8. Then 2 2s are 4. We can say that 84 is easily divisible by 4. And 85. Sir, it is not easily divisible by 5. It's sorry 2, isn't it? Then 6 is easily divisible by 2. 7, it is not easily divisible by 2. But 8, it is easily divisible by 2. Okay? Fast ಹೇಳಕತ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. I think ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಮನೆಗೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಇದನ್ನ easily. Next last one, 89. What it will become? 80 plus 9, 89. Whether 89 is easily divisible by 2. Check it. This number, that is 2 4s are 8. 0 9 is there, and completely it is not divisible by 2. That's why it is also wrong. Then we can observe here that I will conclude this. That is, the number which is having even numbers at its ones place or a units place. The number which is having even numbers at its ones place or a units place, that is easily divisible by 2. Okay? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ರಿ? ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್. ಎಷ್ಟನ್ನ ದೊಡ್ಡ ನಂಬರ್ ಇದೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ದಟ್. ನೋ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಯು ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. That is 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9, isn't it? 0 2. Whether this number is easily divisible by 2? whether this number is easily divisible by 2. ಏನು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, this is ಪೂರ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, just want to observe the unit place. Whether unit place is 2, that is even number, then it is easily divisible by 2. Okay sir, illa sir ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಇತ್ತು, suppose 2 3 6 7 8 3 1, 3 is there, whether it is easily divisible by 2? No sir. Why? We have to observe only here ones place, that is it is odd number, that's why it is not divisible by 2. समझ में आ गया बात? Yes, इससे आगे लगा. Okay, only by observing we can say that whether it is properly divisible by the particular number or not. Okay, move to the next. Then fourth one, that is divisibility by 3 and 9. This is somewhat different. You more same with the, what are those? That is divisibility by 10, only by observing in its place. Then divisibility by 5, it's also by observing only at the ones place or in its place. Then divisibility by 2 also by observing only, that is units place. Somewhat it is different, but very easy, isn't it? See, I will explain this one by taking one example. Just I will take that, whatever it will be, 252. Okay, 252. We have to check that whether this number is divisible by 3 and 9. We have to check both these. Why we are writing 3 and 9 in one divisibility only? Because the theory is only one. Theory one day bರ್ತದೆ. That's why we are taking 3 and 9. Okay, we have to check that whether this number is easily divisible by 3 or 9. What we have to do? Just simple, that is adding each digits. Adding each digit. First step is this, adding each digit, that is 2 plus 5 plus 2. Okay, 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. What we have to do first step, that is adding each digit. Each digit anna add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Then we will get a one number or a double digit number ಬರ್ಬೋದು, whatever it may be. Now we have to check that whether 9 is divisible by 3 or 9. To check both. First I will check with 3. Whether 9 is divisible by 3, 9 is there, 3, 3 3s are 9, the remainder is 0. Then we can say that the 9 is easily divisible by 3. Easily divisible by 3. Then we can say that 252 is also divisible by 3. समझ में आएगा बात? इन ಮಾಡಬೇಕು first step, that is ಈ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, then you will get a number. Then what we have to do is check with these two numbers, that is whether 9 is divisible by 3. Yes sir, sure, that is easily divisible by 3. Then we can say that question input is the 252. That 252 is also easily divisible by 3. समझ में आएगा बात? Yes, simply we can check with then other number, that is 9 no ide. That is okay, 9 is easily divisible by 9. Sure sir, easily. 9 ones are 9. The remainder is 0, and we can say that it is easily divisible by 9 also. Then what's the question? 252, and we can say that 252 is easily divisible by 9 also. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತ್ರಿ? ಈಸಿಲಿ ಇದಿಷ್ಟೇ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ we can check. ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಬರ್ತವೆ, ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಈಸಿ ಬರ್ತಾವ 9 3 ಟೇಬಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ ಈಸಿಲಿ 3 3s 9 ಬರ್ತದ ಸರ್ 9 ಟೇಬಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದ ಆಫ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ 9 1s 9 we can easily say that this question 252 is also easily divisible by 3 and 9 okay समझ में आ गया ना yes let's take another example that is 9321 9321 first step what we have to do that is we have to add these digits that is 9 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 9 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 what is the answer 9 plus 3 12 12 plus 2 14 14 plus 1 15 okay 15 is the answer then what we have to check we have to check 3 and 9 first 3 need to check mari nona whether 15 will comes under the third table sure sir that is 3 5 are 15 otherwise I will show you once again 3 5 are 15 then that is 0 then we can easily say that it is easily divisible by 3 okay because 15 easily third table on bರ್ತದೆ that's why we can say that this 9321 is also divisible by 3 then check with 9 whether 15 will comes under a 9 table check that one it is 9 is here 15 9 ones are 9 that is somewhat history 06 that is 06 remainder is not 0 that's why we can say that 15 is not divisible by 9 if 15 is not divisible by 9 we can easily say that this number that is 9321 is also not divisible by 9 easily we can say that 9321 is easily divisible by 3 only not by 9 okay ಒಂದರಿಂದ ಹಂಗನೂ ಬರಬಹುದು ಒಂದರಿಂದ ಹಿಂಗನೂ ಬರಬಹುದು समझ में आ गया ना one more example I will show you ಎಷ್ಟಾದರೂ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಡಲಿ okay third example take this 3052 1 okay then one more digit I will take it is 2 first what we have to do add this digits that is 3 plus 0 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 okay 3 plus 0 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 okay what is the answer 3 plus 0 is 0 then sorry 3 plus 0 3 3 plus 5 8 8 plus 2 10 10 11 11 12 13 13 is the answer okay once again 8 10 13 okay whether 13 is easily divisible by 33 check this 13 ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ 3 table ಒಳಗೆ easily no sir it is 3 somewhat 3 3 is 9 3 4 is 12 okay 0 1 it is not easily divisible by 3 3 ನಿಂದ easily divisible by ಆಗಲ್ರಿ then check with 9 9 ಇಂದ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 13 ಬರ್ತದ್ರಿ 9 no sir it is 9 ones are 9 somewhat more is the remainder then we can say that easily that is it is also not divisible by 9 then easily we can say that this number 3,5212 is not divisible by 3 and 9 it is not divisible by 3 and 9 समझ में आ गया ना बात in next class ಒಳಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಬಹಳ examples ಮಾಡೋಣ okay let's take okay move to the next one that is divisibility by 11 That is divisibility by 11. That is, it's somewhat different. See, sum of digits at even place. Okay, I will explain you. And sum of digits at odd place. Yes, sir. See, I will explain you. Now we are checking about divisibility by 11. What is the trick? That is, it is the difference between, you can say, it is the difference between sum of digits at even place, and sum of digits at odd place. Then we have to get that 0, 0. Then we have to get 0 or divisibility or a divisible by 11. I will explain you divisible by 11. What is that? It is the difference between sum of digits at even place and sum of digits at odd place. Then we have to get answer in particular. That should be 0 adru irbeku. Otherwise, it is easily 11th table alagnu barbeku. Otherwise, it is be multiple of 11 or divisible by 11. I will explain with one example. See, 5157. 51,579. Isn't it? Yes. 51,500. We have to check whether this number is easily divisible by 11 or not. We have to check that one. First, odd place separate, then even place separate. That is from right hand side. Easily clear. From right hand side, odd separate, even just 5 digit number this confuse. This is first number, that is 1 is odd number. I will take O is odd number, and second one, this is even number. Okay, from right hand side that is 1. First digit is there, 1 is odd number, and second one, this is even number. Then again it is odd number, even number, then it is odd number. Okay, odd with the start from right hand side, odd, even, odd. Now what we have to do? We have to separate odd numbers and even numbers. Okay, by sum, by doing sum. Okay, odd numbers equal, that is 5 plus 5 plus 9. Isn't it? These are the odd numbers. See, odd on the first level 5 plus 5 plus 9. These are the odd numbers. Then what are the even numbers? That is 1 plus 7. Okay. See, sum of digits are at even place. Then will have. Okay. The sum of digits at odd place here. What we have to do? We have to subtract this. That is difference between odd numbers, sum of odd numbers and sum of even numbers. First note 5 plus 5, 10 plus 9, 19, minus. Here it is minus. 7 plus 1, that is 8. What is the answer we will get? That is 11. 19 minus 8 is 11. Neat cancel. Okay. 19 minus 8 is 11. Whether 11 is easily divisible by 11? Sir, okay, sir. First, sir, 11 was 11. Then we can say that this number 51,579 is easily divisible by 11. Okay. One more example I will give you. Here only I will give. Okay, that is 23,457. We have to check that whether this number is easily divisible by 11 or not. First, what we have to take, that is odd number separate ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, even number separate. Odd, even, and odd. ಎಷ್ಟಾದರೂ digit number ಕೊಡ್ಲಿ, ನಾವು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು from right hand side. That is odd numbers are 2, 4, 7. That is 2 plus 4 plus 7. Then what are the even numbers? We have to subtract this one. What are the even numbers? That is 3 and 5. 3 plus 5. See here. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 7 is 13. 13 minus 8. Is it? 13 minus 8. What is the answer? That is 13 minus 8 is 5. Whether 5 is easily divisible by 11? No, sir. It will not come under 11 table, and it is also not being 0. Then we can easily say that is 23,457 is easily not divisible by 11. Why? Because 5 is not divisible by 11. That's why we can say that 23,457 is not divisible by 11. समझ में आ गई बात? Now I will give you some examples or some homework for you. Take it. Check the divisibility of. Check the divisibility of 3, 5, 7, 8, 6, 2. Okay, whatever it may be, these are the digits. Check the divisibility of this number by 3. Yen madbekri? We have to check whether this number is easily divisible by 3 or not. Answer me in the comment box. Otherwise, ask me. Otherwise, send it to my WhatsApp number. Okay. If any doubts, you can ask me anytime, because we are always with you, my dear students. By this, I will conclude my today's session. Thank you. Namaste. Matte bete agon.